When people ask, what does Bryte Lyfe actually do? The answer is, it's a travel app with a membership wrapper around it, so let's look at exactly what's inside. The biggest category is hotels and resorts. Bryte Lyfe pulls inventory from wholesale travel networks, which means you're seeing rates that aren't always available on public sites like Expedia or Booking.com. When does that matter? It tends to matter most on resort stays of 3 nights or more, on shoulder season dates, and on properties in the 4 and 5-star tier. On a one-night airport hotel, the rates are often similar to public sites. On a week in Cabo, the difference can be meaningful. The honest answer is that not every booking beats public rates. Some do, some don't. The members who get the most out of it learn to check both before booking. The cruise side is competitive on the major lines: Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, MSC. Where Bryte Lyfe tends to win is on bundled cabin upgrades or onboard credits, not always on the base fare. Vacation rentals work similarly. You're looking at villas and vacation homes through the same wholesale network used by other club platforms. Quality varies by destination. Beach destinations tend to have stronger inventory than urban markets. Rental cars are usually a solid win. The corporate rate access through partners like the major car rental brands is one of the more reliable savings categories inside the app. Events and concerts vary widely. You'll see partner pricing on some tours, sports, and shows. Don't expect every concert. Do expect a meaningful slice of major events, especially the ones tied to the partner network. This is the part that doesn't exist anywhere else in the category. Once a year, your membership includes a 4-day, 3-night, 5-star vacation for 2. Destinations rotate. Past examples include resort properties in places like Tulum, the Bahamas, and Orlando. If you actually take this trip, the retail value typically exceeds a year of membership fees. That's the math that makes Bryte Lyfe interesting for the right traveler. If you skip the bucket list trip, you're leaving the single biggest perk on the table. Bryte Lyfe travel wins most clearly when you're booking resort stays of 3 nights or more, when you're booking far enough in advance to get the best wholesale inventory, when you take the annual bucket list trip anyway, and when you use the app as your default rather than checking it sometimes. It loses or ties most often on short domestic trips, last-minute bookings, and budget motel category stays. Before you commit, do this. Pick 3 trips you're already planning in the next 12 months. Get the public booking site prices first. Then check Bryte Lyfe's rates. If the savings on those 3 trips alone come close to your annual cost, the math is probably working. If they don't, the membership might not be your fit. The link in the description gets you to the current pricing and the next step.